In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recurring invoice Revolut Business. Before we begin, make sure you have an active merchant account. That's essential, because invoicing is part of the merchant tools. An invoice is more than just a bill. It's an official record of the sale, clearly showing what you provided, how much is owed, and by when. Keeping invoices organized helps your business stay compliant and makes it easier for customers to pay you on time. Let's walk through sending an invoice to a client. Start on the home screen from the main menu. If you're on the web, click Merchant, then Online. If you're on mobile, tap Merchant and then use the icon in the top right corner to continue. From there, select Invoices, then choose New Invoice. This is where you'll create and send the document. Next, add or select the client you want to invoice. If they're already in your list, pick them to save time. If not, add their details carefully, including their legal business name and billing address, so your records and their records match. Now complete the invoice details. Include clear item or service descriptions, quantities, prices, any applicable taxes, and the due date. You can add notes or a purchase order number if your client needs one. Make sure the currency, your business details, and payment terms look right. These are often controlled by your invoice settings, which define defaults like numbering format, company information, or tax behavior. If something looks locked down or not editable here, that's your cue that it can only be changed in invoice settings before you send. Take a moment to review the invoice thoroughly. Check the math, verify the client information, and confirm the due date and payment instructions. If you're happy with everything, select Send. Your client will receive the invoice and the amount due will be tracked in your merchant dashboard. If you need to make changes later, you can edit unpaid invoices or invoice drafts. That's helpful for fixing typos or updating a detail before the client pays. One important tip, as soon as you open the new invoice screen, the invoice number is registered permanently. That means even if you back out, that number is taken. To keep your numbering clean, only open a new invoice when you're ready to proceed. That's it. You've created and sent an invoice using Revolut Business. Follow these steps each time to maintain accurate records and get paid smoothly.